Well, today, bubulahin ko kayo kasi gagawa tayo ng sobrang simple na meatball dish.
Simpol, luto na,
So, lagi naman tayo may giniling sa bahay. So, gagawa tayo ng isang basic meatball recipe na pwede mong gamitin hindi lang pang bola-bola, pwede mo din ipalaman sa lumpia Shanghai. Very basic meat mixture yung gagawin natin gamit ang ground pork galing sa fresh options. Yan. So, when tayong ground pork, always remember na you have to keep it chilled, no? Kasi madaling masira ang ground pork or ground beef. So, what do? We just season it with a little bit of salt. So, may konti tayong salt. Lalagyan natin ng minced onion. So, very basic. Minced onion, black pepper, konting grated carrots. Alam mo, yung pwede mong gawin dito, when you're adding vegetables into your meat mixture, ideally, huwag kayong gumamit ng medyo sobrang matubig na vegetables because madaling masira yung meat mixture nyo unless lulutuin nyo kaagad. Kasi if you store it, nangyayari, yung katas ng inyong mga gulay, lalabas, so magsisip out, so magiging watery yung inyong meatballs. And one thing that I really like using when I'm doing meatballs or ganito is kamote. You try using kamote next time. To add more flavor to our ground meat, we add oyster sauce. So, ang pangpalinamnam natin is oyster sauce. Gamit natin is Datu Puti oyster sauce for this. Mix it up. So, may alat at may linamnam tayo. And we add 1 egg and 4 tablespoons of flour. So, basically, ito na yung mix natin. Very easy to do. What you have to do is to really mix it properly. Kasi sometimes, diba siya, bakit yung meatballs ko nagiging nagbi-break, no? Nagiging buhaghag. That is the reason. Kasi, hindi siya sa itlog, hindi siya sa harina. It's because yung giniling mo kulang ng mixture. Kulang ng mixing. And that's ready. Then, we're going to shape balls. So, meron akong oil dito na ininit ko na. Meron akong a little bit of water here, a bowl of water. So, anong gagawin ko? I just get a spoonful of my pork mixture. I wet my hands. You make sure your hands are clean, ha? So, then, basa yung hands mo para you don't have to, hindi siya didikit sa kamay mo. And you can easily shape it into balls. Then, immediately drop into your oil. Just a spoon, nasusukat mo yung size. If you have a ice cream scooper na maliit, you can use that also. It's very fancy. Pero ako, sa ganitong kutsara, okay na sa akin eh. And drop it. So, see our meatballs. Sobrang ganda ng meatballs natin. So easy to do. Hindi siya nagbe-break apart. Look at that. And sigurado tayong very flavorful. So, just keep on rolling it around para maging even yung cooking niya. And once may luto na, yung nauna natin na ginawa, luto na siya, just put it on the other pan. So, if you have this kind of mechanic sa paggawa nyo, sobrang bilis, you save on time, save on effort, and maganda yung gawa nyo. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, nagluluto ka, di ba? Kung if you make things complicated, wala ka nang gana magluto ng dinner kasi pagod ka na, di ba? So, we just flip our pans para mas easier for me. Just make a little bit of glaze. So, just around 2 tablespoons of sweet chili sauce and oyster sauce. And we just toss everything together. So, konting-konti lang talaga yung sauce natin, no? Hindi natin gustong soaking in the sauce. We just like a glaze. Look at that. And we're ready to plate. So look at that. Wala tayong sayang na sauce. Just enough na makot. Konting landi lang ng ating luto para sobrang ganda na tignan sa plato. Here we have it, our very easy and very simple sweet and sour bola-bola. Simpol! Nagustuhan niyo ba ang video na to? Please share para lalong dumami ang ating mga ka-Simpol. And don't forget to subscribe to our Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram accounts.